Is your Amana ComfortNet Thermostat failing to connect to Wi-Fi? You're not alone. Many users experience this issue, but thankfully, it's often resolvable. You might see an error message like this on your thermostat display, indicating lost network communication. The Amana ComfortNet system relies on a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for initial setup and ongoing connectivity. First, ensure your router is broadcasting a 2.4 GHz signal. Your network should support WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. Open networks are not supported. Place the thermostat within 30 feet of your router and keep it away from interfering devices like microwaves. Let's try some basic troubleshooting steps. Start with a soft reset by pressing the reset button for 5 seconds. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by holding the reset button for 10 or more seconds to restore factory defaults. Use the Daikin One app to run signal strength tests and attempt automatic reconnection. Pay attention to the thermostat's LED indicators. A flashing blue light usually indicates it's trying to connect. Check if your firmware is up to date, as outdated firmware causes the majority of issues. Finally, make sure you entered the correct SSID and password when setting up the device, as this is the #1 reason for connection issues. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your connectivity issues, consider these advanced fixes. Wi-Fi congestion from multiple smart home devices can overload your network and cause thermostat disconnections. One effective solution is implementing a mesh network system like Eero or Google Nest. These systems create a unified Wi-Fi network throughout your home, providing stronger and more reliable connections. Next, review your router settings for potential blocking features. MAC address filtering can prevent your thermostat from connecting if it's not whitelisted. Wi-Fi extenders can help boost signal strength in areas of your home with weak connectivity. Place extenders strategically to bridge coverage gaps. If you're using a dual-band router, make sure your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks have distinct network names. This prevents confusion during the thermostat's connection process. Looking toward the future, Amana is planning to adopt the Matter protocol in upcoming models around 2027. This will improve compatibility across different smart home brands and ecosystems. AI-assisted diagnostics are becoming more common. Keep your Daikin One app updated to access improved troubleshooting features and automated fixes. As 6G wireless technology emerges, older 2.4 GHz dependent devices may face obsolescence. Consider this when planning long-term smart home upgrades. As a last resort, contact Daikin support directly through their forums or customer service line. They've significantly improved their support resources with AI-driven troubleshooting tools. Remember to check online community resources like Reddit's r/smart devices forum for additional community-driven solutions that other users have found helpful.